There are hundreds of different sights on the market today. The normal iron sights that have been used for hundreds of years are now disappearing. They are now being replaced by fiber optic, night sights, red dot scopes, and even laser sights that can be attached to your gun. Some of these sights can help you see your target clearly and focus faster than the conventional iron sight. But as a police officer, we have to practice with the iron sight. New or high-tech sights doesn't mean that you still can't miss. There are three main types of sights. Fixed sights that may not be adjusted as seen in some small guns like revolvers. There are fixed sights that can be moved for windage only. Adjustable rear sights are your best bet to have. They can be adjusted for windage and elevation for proper bullet impact. Most adjustable sights will have an up and down arrow for elevation on top of the sight. Windage adjustment would be on the side for left and right bullet impact. Scopes, red dot sights, and laser will come with directions from the manufacturer on how to sight the system on the range. Iron sight will cover up as much as half the target. Action shooters have been perfecting this system since about 1990s. Today, the US military, law enforcement agents, sportsmen, and hunters are seeing the benefits to the new system. First, you need to know which eye is dominant. You can determine this by making a small opening in your hand, arms out in front of you. Both eyes open, find a small object on the wall, then bring that opening straight back to your face. This will give you your dominant eye. Remember, you will have a better shot if you shoot with both eyes open. Closing one eye will shut down your peripheral vision. If you see two sights while looking at the target, place a piece of transparent tape over the center of your weak sight shooting glasses, about the size of a 1 peso coin or smaller. This will help stop that double vision and can train your eye's dominance, allowing you to reduce stress and fatigue by using both eyes. About 15% of all gun owners will experience this on the range. The top of the front sight must be aligned with the top of the rear sight. The perfect sight picture is for the front sight to be clear and the rear sight and target blurry. There must be an equal amount of light on each side. For the new shooter just starting out, try starting at 15 yards instead of 25 yards. After more practice, you can try longer distance shots. As time goes on, you will become more proficient on shooting a longer distance shot.